Let me start by explaining what happened on December 26 recently. There was a very unfortunate thing happened here. Tourists visiting us from Canada, briefly with his family one day on a cruise ship, was very, very ill mistreated in this area right behind us. They have beaten this gentleman in a very horrible way. And for the police force, it's important for us to share with the community that it is our priority whenever these cases happen, if it's against locals, but especially against our tourists, because they're a very important part of our economy, that we make this a priority one case. So in this case, various detective departments have been working together tirelessly, and we're happy to be able to share that we have made the first arrests. We still have more arrests to make in the coming days. But we just want to make sure that everyone knows that this is priority one case for us. We will work whenever such items as this take place on Aruba, because this is unacceptable. And we have been very happy to have collaboration of the people in this area, excuse me, camera images, everyone that was or has any information that has shared that with us, because this needs to be investigated. We need to make this arrest, and this is unacceptable in this area. Yes, the first arrests that we made are of two female ladies, a mother and her daughter. And afterwards, very quickly, we were able to make the another arrest of a young gentleman. We know that we still have more people to bring in, so we're working very hard to get all the information necessary. So using your media outlet, I want to also share with them that it's better for you to come in, present yourself to us, because we will come and get you. And if anyone else has any information, you can always call our tip line 11141. You can call the detective department, share the information with us, because we will not rest until this arrest has been made. Well, it's very good to be able to say that we are the safest destination in the region. So Aruba is a very safe destination for all of our tourists and also for our local people. But these items, every now and then, they do happen. And whenever it does take place, we make sure that we make the arrest. And we also want to work with everyone in this area, but also with the whole tourism industry, to work more on prevention. So now, as you can see behind me, they are putting up more lights, more cameras, because in the future you have to make sure that this cannot be repeated. So anytime that anything happens, we have to learn from that, and we have to make the necessary changes in order to prevent this from happening in the future. It was a very unfortunate case. The gentleman who was mistreated was doing something very civil. So he saw an accident that took place, and he wanted to, go and check on everyone if everyone was okay. And when he went to do, his noble and human act, then he was mistreated. So my message to everyone is: look out for each other, look out for those you travel with. But also the message that we want to convey is, the importance that these cases have for us, and that we will work tirelessly with all of our partners. And also now that, we can get more and more information outside there when it comes to prevention, to avoid this from happening. And when it happens, the police will act severely to make sure that we have all of the arrests made. So these gentlemen are known to the police. And it's sad that, they're still choosing to, make these kind of foolish decisions. But every time they do that, we will be there.